Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Mark Zuckerberg sees his degree after becoming a billionaire. Micro artist Ramagiri Swarika written Srimad Bhagavad Gita on 4020 grains of rice. Sunil Chhetri of India has done the most international goal after Ronaldo, but unfortunately this star is still unknown to many people. The Golden Temple in India feeds a vegetarian meal to over 50,000 people a day regardless of race, religion and class. 30 feet underwater, there is no light, so blood appears green. Banging your head against a wall for 1 hour burns 150 calories. The most terrifying place on earth is located near Subdigo, USA. Nearly half of the airline pilots admit to falling asleep during a flight. Once Death asked Life why everyone hates me and loves you, Life replied, because I'm a beautiful lie and you're a painful truth. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you're insulting yourself. In 1859, 24 rabbits were released in Australia. Within 6 years, the population grew to 2 million. India ranks 133rd in the Women, Peace and Security Index 2019. Just because we do not see any time travelers visiting us does not mean time travel will not be developed in the future. Virat Kohli is the only Indian athlete to own a private jet. This is the Kola Super Deep Borehole. A NASA spacecraft circling Jupiter has captured the planet's colorful electrical outbursts, sprites and elves for the first time. According to psychologists, if you are awake all night without a reason, then it means you are awake in someone else's dream. It took over 6 months to extract Harriet Kohli's entire nervous system from her body. Scientists finally concluded that chicken came first, not the eggs, because the protein which makes eggshells is only produced by hens. At a top speed of Bugatti Veyron will empty its 26-gallon tank in just 12 minutes. If you don't build your own dream, someone will hire you to build theirs. Men and women see the world differently. Mosquitoes prefer people with type O blood. Shaun the Sheep Show is not animated. Everything is made of clay and plastic. This kid played on phone regularly, so his mother secretly applied a black eyeshadow on the both of his eyes while sleeping. IIT Madras scientist extracts clean hydrogen from seawater to run cars and lowers pollution. Standing over 7 feet tall and weighing a massive 2,600 pounds, Big Jack is currently the world's largest horse. A bootstrap paradox is a type of paradox in which an object, person or a piece of information sent back in time results in an infinite loop. According to the survey and reports, Indian TV is one of the most depressing TV in the world. In 2015, man named Benjamin Carruthers filed case on Red Bull for false advertising. Jails in Brazil reduced the sentences of the prisoners for 4 days for every book they read and write a report on it. King Fahd International Airport in Saudi Arabia is bigger than the entire city of Mumbai. Yellow teeth are stronger. The natural color of a teeth is light yellow color. Whitening your teeth can permanently weaken them. You're not the same person you were a year ago, a month ago, or a week ago. You're constantly changing. Experiences don't stop, that's life. This is the world's smallest artificial heart. This is not a picture of concrete. This is an aerial photo of New Delhi. Sharks kill an average of 12 people per year, and about 100 million sharks are killed every year by humans. In the town Barrow, located in Alaska, the sun sets on November 18 and 19 and rises on January 23. People who love space have broad minds. When you start thinking about stars, galaxies, black holes and the size of universe, you find out the ego, pride and jealousy makes. The foundation of Golden Temple was laid on Diwali day. This is a location in Venezuela known where lightning strikes up to 280 times an hour, 160 nights a year. In JetBlue aircraft, a pregnant woman gave birth to a baby boy at 30,000 feet above air, and then baby named born to the Blue by JetBlue, and baby got lifetime travel pass. When a man sits with a pretty girl for an hour, it seems like a minute. But let him sit on a hot stove for a minute and it's longer than any hour. That's relativity. Thousands have climbed Mount Everest, 12 people have walked on the moon, but only 3 people have been to the deepest point in the ocean. Science just proved that male and female brains react differently to stress. He is Bilal Goregan. You all must have seen in viral video meme, he is blind and suffers from other problems too. Money is number and numbers never end. If it takes money to be happy, you search for happiness will never end. Every year, 4.2 million people die due to pollution and around 1.4 million people have died in 1 year due to coronavirus. Being in a relationship is not about dates or showing off. It's about being with the person who makes you happy. Thanks for watching.